Thank you very much for organizing this wonderful event. So I am Nefertiti Emezue. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a postgraduate student at Ahmadu Bello University, and I am here to present a paper I did with my brother. I don't know if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
We can see it.
Okay, so I wrote this with my twin brother, Chris Emezue. Unfortunately, he can't make it here because of the timing. So I am a graphic artist and mixed media artist. I do artworks with seeds that I find in my environment. So the title of this paper is Exploring Generative AI in Nigerian Mixed Media Art. So apologies first, I can't show my video because I have really poor network and it's gonna keep dragging back the network if I show my video. So apologies for that. So for this paper, we tried to use two generative AI platforms, Midjourney and Deep Days, to try to redefine traditional Nigerian seed art. So I think what prompted us to do this is because we as an artist, I've been using Midjourney and Deep Days to create some AI artworks, and we noticed the lacuna in it in the sense that the products or the results are mostly of Western origin. Yes, there are Black ladies over there, but I didn't yet find one made with seed art. So the idea was to use my mixed media artworks to train these generative AIs to see what they can reproduce. So the objective is training two AI models, two Deep Days and Midjourney, to generate new mixed media art, which has the Nigerian cultural identity. So the method we used for this was to train the first AI model, that's Deep Days, using 16 randomly selected Nigerian mixed media arts works made by me. Then after training the Deep Days, we now trained Midjourney, still using the same 16 Nigerian mixed media artworks. So the first process was from the Deep Days model. We gave some prompts. We just summarized the prompts here, but the prompts were as follows. For the first image was to produce an artwork of a happy Nigerian bride on her wedding made from indigenous seed art. And then we fed the AI the artwork itself to see what it can recreate. So from the image, you can see first process from Deep Days. So that was the result we got. We saw that that's not really hyper realistic, or it doesn't really show the features of what we wanted. So we now took the same artwork and then tried Midjourney, and the prompts were also very similar, which is produce a happy Nigerian bride on her wedding made with Nigerian seeds. So we specified the type of seeds because the artworks I made it using dawa. There's this seed called dawa and sponge seeds. So we also gave prompts like the bride should be smiling and take the components of the artwork given. So we now also use the same artwork to feed it. And then we saw that the results gotten from the Midjourney was more precise, clear, and more close and similar to the artwork it was given. So we did this for other artworks, but for the purposes of the poster presentation, we couldn't put a lot of artworks we used to train. So we just selected one, which is the bride. That's the name of the original artwork. So in conclusion, from our findings from the trainings from Deep Days and Midjourney, we found out that in terms of clarity, in terms of aesthetics, in terms of precision of visual elements, in terms of the precision in the materials we use to create the artwork, that the results from the Midjourney was better. It also transformed the essence of Nigerian seed art into a new manifestation, as we can see, as the lady. and also amplified the significance of African seeds as cultural symbols, at the same time illuminating the intricacies of African art, of contemporary art. So in future, we hope to use these selected AI models and subject them to, sorry, can you see my screen? And subject them to further trainings using more artworks created by me and others, because I have just a few that are available. And then we hope that this will enable the final products to actually have the Nigerian identities in the AI generated artworks. So that was the purpose of this, and these were our findings. Thank you.
Thanks, Nefertiti, and it was wonderful for you to make time and come here and explain in detail about what the poster is about. We really look forward to your participation in other weekly Wednesday sessions too. And we just learn from each other, and it was wonderful for you to come here. Thanks a lot.